Today I'm talking with Jamie Armistead of Zelle. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm great. So I'm glad you're here because I wanted to chat with you a little bit about the differences between you and some of the other, person-to-person payment apps.
Okay.
The main one I think is that, customers use it through their bank accounts.
Right.
But how does that work though if a customer wants to use you guys and your bank isn't partnered with them?
One of the good things about Zelle and the network is that it's growing every day, right? We now have 186 financial institutions that have signed on as part of the Zelle network. And in terms of customers that whose financial institutions are not yet participating in Zelle, they can download our mobile app that's often used to receive funds. So if I sent you money and you're not with one of those banks that's participating yet, you'd be able to download the Zelle mobile app and receive the funds that way.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So how do you guys control security?
Because Zelle operates a little bit differently and it's with the financial institutions and integrated in the banks and credit unions, mobile banking and online banking experience, we're starting on that strong foundation that is already there as part of the digital solutions that are being offered. So we're doing a number of things behind the scenes, trying to keep the friction out of the experience, but we're doing device monitoring. Every participant, including Zelle on the transactions we control, is doing real-time transaction monitoring. So we can do transaction interdiction in real time, right?
Okay.
So if we see anomalous behavior, we can suspend transactions. So that's really increased our capabilities, and the fraudsters are somewhat relentless. So when you are fighting real-time fraud on a real-time network, you have to have kind of multi-layered, varied, adaptable, continuous controls. So it's not something that's going to go away,
right.
But it's something that we feel like we've got a really strong foundation, again, with the financial institutions, and then layering these capabilities on top, and then sharing and working together as an industry. That's a really important part of this, right? We can all work together and identify different ways to continue to combat fraud.
Like we mentioned earlier, the app is mostly person-to-person payment, but do you guys offer any B2B services?
We don't yet offer anything that you'd consider B2B, but certainly business to consumer.
Okay.
So we're already seeing a lot of interest in our disbursements capability. There's a lot of really good use cases within the insurance market, customers needing those funds in real time. And you think about kind of the payments infrastructure in insurance, and you think paper checks getting mailed out after an auto claim or a homeowner's claim, and this just revolutionizes it. It's also great from a payroll perspective. Think gig economy workers that are really working shifts here and there and want to get paid in real time. Zelle just accelerates that whole process.
All right.
So we're very excited about that.
Great. Well, congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you very much.